Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over GE's new washing machine. And this is a pretty cool, they have a new color that's out here, the nice blue color, pretty sleek. This one is the PTW900BPTRS. Now, this is feature packed, so I'm going to really get into the features and the cycles on this unit. First, capacity. This is 5.4 cubic feet. So king size comforter, sheets, all in one wash. Really big tub, and we'll get some shots of the inside here in a little bit. But first, on the outside of the unit, there's a couple of things that we notice. Smart wash. What that's going to do is going to detect your detergent level and your soil level, and it'll know when the detergent starts to leave the clothes that, hey, we're getting close to the end of the cycle. So it's not going to overuse your water or add too much water or add not enough water to where your clothes aren't fully clean yet. So having that smart wash feature on, that's what's going to activate that. But as we get into the inside of the unit here, we notice one of the smart things that a lot of appliance manufacturers are doing is they're getting smart appliances now, where this will actually connect with Alexa. So pretty cool. If you have the Alexa app or if you have the GE app, you can actually program this to work with Alexa. So looking at this unit, you do have a few different options. You could actually add Tide pods right to this. It's got a spot specifically for pods. I know a lot of people in our comments and stuff are always talking about pods. You can throw them right into this. You don't have to do the liquid detergent. You can just use a pod right into this guy. Also, this one does have 50 ounces of max storage, so it'll auto dispense. So you could fit right into this spot here, you could put 50 ounces of liquid detergent. And if we look at the outside of this, it actually has a guide here for your smart dispense on how much is left. So it'll actually have your smart dispense status on if you have enough detergent to go on to the next cycle. So it'll kind of give you a quick overlay on what's going on there. But going into the features of this unit as far as cycles, we got normal, whites, delicates, jeans downloaded for that GE app I talked about. You could download custom, grass stains, a lot of different cycles that you could download straight to the app. Pretty cool. Towels, sheets, bulky, quick wash, sanitize with Oxy, drain and spin, kind of like what we've seen before with most of your standard washing machines. But this one has your direct drive motor, patented balancing technology, really quiet. This one even has a tangle control. Sometimes with these top load that they need to cause agitation to occur, sometimes you get your shirts, your pants all tangled up. The way this one spins, it's said that these do not tangle your clothes as much as a standard top load washer will. And going into the dryer on this model here, this is the PTD90EBPTRS. We'll put that in the comments for you. But this one, same color, we got the blue here. This one does have your steam. So the steam cycle still has it. And with that 5.3 cubic foot capacity wash, you can still dry everything in this dryer. So that means your king size sheets and your king size comforter all in one dry. So pretty sweet. This has your downloaded cycles. This does have the Alexa connected. So once your dryer is done, it'll let you know, hey, your dryer is done. Or you could tell it to go longer or whatever you need it to. It'll give you a lot of information from the app. And maybe we'll have another video on just the app itself because it's pretty cool. But that's my review, guys. Awesome pair. I think these are going to rate pretty high in Consumer Reports. And thanks for watching, guys. And we'll see you guys next week.